Ladies and gents, another gorgeous day. Beautiful opportunity to change the world. I got these to ride overnight because I finally detailed the interior of my car. That's me. What's up? I'm wearing a hat. Even striped the Alcantara. What does this little piece of fuzz think it's doing, messing up my vibes? Literally, words cannot describe my happiness for what is before me. Not so much the pollen and dust that is collected, but, oh, I just opened that for a reason. I'm stupid. Now, it is pretty dark, so I'm not sure how well this is gonna pick up, but I just did the brake pedal and the little like footrest. Look how clean this is compared to my gas. Stuff like this, it's the little things that make detailing really satisfying for me. All right, floor mats are in. Tell me that's not satisfying with the stripes. Gosh, I love this car. I even did the inside, like, I'm taking care of her, even though she kind of betrayed me with that whole incident. The new decals people are liking because I've actually had 2 people comment saying they subscribed because they saw my car on the road. So that was kind of cool. By the way, I hope everybody's staying hydrated, drinking lots of water. That stuff I use is so greasy. I accidentally got a little bit on my door. I didn't really like that. It's supposed to be interior detailer. Maybe I read the instructions wrong, but kind of left a little greasy feeling on everything, and I didn't like it. You know, that's not even the first time I've told you guys to drink water, so I hope everybody is healthy, happy, having a grand old time during this crazy time. I think my interior's done, and I'm very happy with where it's at. You guys probably saw last video where I basically said I was living out of my car, and I had like 2 metric tons of stuff in here. Well, I took it all out yesterday, made a huge pile right here, sorted through it all, and now she's finally clean. Even my trunk, I don't think there's anything in here. This is phenomenal, I love it. So update on this wheel. Obviously it does not match my others, but I called the tire shop that I got these wheels from, and they said this wheel company sold out to a different company. The guy who sold me these wheels does not work there anymore. So he was like, can you just tell me the specs and we can like call around and see what's happening? So I'm like, okay, cool, let's do that. Turns out there are only 5 of these wheels in this size in the entire country. So I have one coming from Orlando, Florida in this spec, and I think we might paint them. Also, I'm making a promise right now. If we get a second round of stimulus checks, carbon fiber. Hold me to it. This is how filthy the engine bay in my vehicle is. This is like months and months of built up just stuff, but I think I'm gonna wash it and clean everything right now because we're prepping for the first Cars and Coffee of the season. We gotta get this car clean because it's disgusting. Car is disgusting, but prepping for Cars and Coffee round 1 tomorrow. Very excited to get all this pollen and gross stuff off. Might even hit it with a little ceramic spray action. This Mother's stuff. We'll see if it works. If not, oh well. With Cars and Coffee tomorrow, we want it to look shiny. We're using Mother's CMX ceramic spray coating. So I saw like 4 of these at AutoZone, and this one just looked like the most professional, but I did not actually watch reviews until after. So Turtle Wax also has like a really good ceramic spray coating, and they were out of the one that I did before that I did a full review on. So I was actually going and looking for the Meguiar's one, but we're doing this, and it's like more intensive because it's not just like a wash and wax sort of thing, but instead we're going around the entire car. It's probably taking me like an hour, but we're almost done, and it'll look good. Carson's car is even filthier than mine was yesterday, so we got to give this a wash before we get out today. It's like 8:30 in the morning. My car is pristine, ready to go. Carson's not so much, so that's the project of the morning. Couldn't be much more last minute here. 8:35 with a 9 o'clock Cars and Coffee. But we're getting her done, and she'll be pretty. Yeah, that one's tuned. It's a Beamer. I have so many. What? It says M3. Ew, yeah. I love it. It's really clean carbon. Sick Lambo. RS3's moving. Joining the other folks in the foreign section. Dude, this Lambo is nuts. This is the Gallardo Speciale.
This is a 458 perfect taste.
SVJ. Copyrighted music, yeah. 225 on the rear. Or, yeah. I thought it said 255, but yeah, 225. That's nuts. So Cars and Coffee was a sick success. A lot of cool cars there. A couple RS3s, S5, S3, S4, A3. My car's finally clean, which is sick. And then update on, oh, I don't even have my keys in my pockets. I did like these, and I like them on the car, like it looks good, but I think gloss black would just make so big of a difference. And when these are like filled in, I got to use like a Brillo pad to scuff up the surface and stuff. When everything's ready for paint, we got to do a lot of prep work, take these completely off the car and then do that. So that's gonna be a whole separate video, is painting these just using like spray paint. So we're gonna do it right, we're gonna do it well. That's just kind of a project I'm really excited to work on. I feel good again with a clean car. Also confirmed, we are going to Rally Kings Summer Rally. So the S5 is going on rally number 2. I'm pumped, I'm super pumped. We're gonna get this vinyl off, take it off at some point, and then put the new ones on when we get downstate in July.